Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tape-in hair extension install for you. So if you want to see that, go ahead and keep watching. We're going to be using the Dora's, I think is how you say it, Amazon hair. It's 22-inch human hair, so you can curl it, and if you needed to color it, you could color it. This is a little lighter than my hair, but I'm going to mix it with another hair that has some like highlights in it that I think is going to mix really well. I'm going to use the two different colors and I sandwich them. So I have two different shades and I just put them together and your hair goes in the middle. But that way it gives a lot of dimension. Hopefully it's going to look kind of like a balayage. So we're going to section and get started. Okay, so I have my hair sectioned. I've got one on each side and one in the back. Right here is where we're going to do our first row, which is about 2 finger width away from the hairline, just so it hides the tape-ins when you put your hair up. So I talked about how I sandwiched the two different shades. This color is more of a solid color, so the band, the tape is solid, and this is kind of a striped kind of color. So on my bottom row, I'm going to put this striped kind of one on top and this on the bottom, so when I lift my hair up, it's a solid tape if it does show through. The rest, I'm going to put this on top until I get to the very top row. Then I'll go back to this band on top, if that makes sense. Okay, so we're going to do 3 tapes on the bottom row. We're going to go ahead and start. And you want to make sure you don't put this too close to the root. You want a little bit of a space so it can flip up and down. When you're putting these in, you don't want to just go one on top of another. You want to do it like a brick. So you want one here and here, but the next row you want to put one in the middle of those two, just so there's no parting in your hair. So we're going to go ahead and do the next row. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and do the sides, and I'm gonna do these a little different because I'm trying to hide the bangs, but I usually do like a horseshoe kind of shape so that when you pull the sides up, the tapes are going this way and they don't go all funky. So, but I'm gonna put some kind of straight up here and then I'm gonna do horseshoe. So let's just do it. So I've continued actually doing that halo shape until like right here. I'm gonna put one a little bit high on the head, which normally you would not do, just to hide the bangs I burned off in the fireplace. Okay, so I think the color is really good. I think it adds something and it doesn't not blend. So now we're just gonna blend some of the layers in. And I used this little comb. I found at Sally's. It has like a razor in here. And I think this side is a much harsher line and this side makes it a little bit more gradual. So we're gonna use this side. Okay, so here it is styled, all curled. I didn't even have to add the braids in to hide these bangs, at least today. And here's the back. These are the 22-inch. There's my waist. So there you have it. I used 23 sandwiches, so it's a pack and 6 from another pack, which kind of sucks because I would have liked to have just used 2 packs. But since I had 2 colors, it worked out really well. I think the color looks really good. So yeah, there you have it. I will link the extensions down in the description box. All right, guys, thanks for watching.